Number 8 here, we have to find the values of the variables. Notice these are all triangles that have parallel lines. So this allows us to set up the triangle proportionality theorem. If you do not remember what the triangle proportionality theorem allows you to do, you can do the left side segment ratio. Okay, that left side segment ratio is going to be also equal to the right side segment ratio. Okay, that is what the equation allows us to basically do. Compare the left side ratio to the right side ratio. Okay, we're going to keep this in mind to help us set up the ratio. So the left side here, okay, I'm going to make this red, then I'm going to make this blue. So it is going to be 5 over 15. And that's going to be equal to the other side, which is going to be red right here for the Q, over the blue, which is the 24. All right, that's your left side ratio, 5 over 15. Your right side ratio is Q over 24. Now you can cross multiply and then solve. 5 times 24 is equal to Q times 15. 5 times 24 is 120 is equal to 15Q. Divide 15 to both sides. You get Q is equal to 8. There you go. Next, okay, we have the, let's see here. We have the left side ratio and the right side ratio. Okay, notice this entire length is 24. So this small piece is 24 minus C. Okay, and this is going to be, let me write this right here. 24 minus C. I want to make this blue, then I'm going to make this red. This is going to be red, and then this is going to be blue. Okay, I'm going to do my left side ratio is equal to my right side ratio. So for the left side ratio, it's 24 minus C over C. And the top one is, oops, sorry, the bottom C should be in red. And the top one should be 20 divided by 12. Here now we can cross multiply. 12 times 24 minus C is equal to C times 20. Okay. What is 12 times 24? We have 288 minus 12C is equal to 20C. All right. Add 12C to both sides. This gets you 288 is equal to 32C. Divide 32 to both sides. This gets you 288 divided by 32 is equal to 9. Let's do the right hand side here. So the entire left side is 55. So therefore this small piece is going to be 55 minus Z. Okay? Because if you take out that small Z part, that's what's left, 55 minus Z. All right, so I'm going to make this blue. Then the top part's going to be red. Top part's going to be red. The bottom part's going to be blue. Left side ratio is going to be equal to the right side ratio. So the red here is Z. The bottom one is 55 minus Z. Top, it is 12. And the bottom is going to be 32. We can now cross multiply. Z times 32 is equal to 12 times 55 minus Z. This is 32Z is equal to 12 times 55, which is just this. 12 times 55 is 660. Then 12 times Z, which is 12Z. Plus 12Z to both sides, because this cancels out. 32 plus 12Z, 32Z plus 12Z, it is 44Z is equal to 660. 660 divided by 44 to both sides. Okay, leaving you with 660 divided by 44, leaving you with just z is equal to 15. So there you go. All three questions allowed us to set up the triangle proportional theorem because of the parallel lines. We compared the left side ratio segment to the right side ratio segment.